Sesame Street introduces new Muppet with autism. In a new clip from the show, you can watch Julia, her friend Abby Cadabby, and Julia's cute stuffed bunny sing Sunny Days together. When Abby introduces Julia to the other Muppets, she explains her new friend's behavior, like that it can be difficult to get her attention, as Julia being Julia. According to a press release, over the course of 5 years, Sesame Workshop consulted with more than 250 organizations and experts within the autism community to develop Julia's character. The goal of introducing Julia, as well as an accompanying variety of resources including books and videos, is to serve the autism community and to increase awareness and understanding of the disorder that affects. Want the latest parenting news? Sign up for our Parents Daily newsletter and PR reports that Julia will appear in 2 episodes this season, and more next season. We can't wait to learn more about this talented little red-headed Muppet. Melissa Willits is a writer, blogger and soon-to-be mom of 4. Find her on Facebook where she chronicles her life momming under the influence of yoga.